Welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to upgrade your kitchen game or need a reliable portable cooking solution, you're in the right place. Today, we're counting down the top 5 best smart induction cooktops currently dominating the USA market. From ultra-thin designs for RV travel to heavy-duty double burners for your home, I've tested the best of the best to help you make a smart buying decision.
Product number 1. Duxtop 1800 Watt Portable Induction Cook. The Duxtop 9600 LS is the gold standard for single-burner portable induction. Utilizing a standard 120-volt outlet, it delivers a massive 1800 watts of power with 20 precise power levels and 20 temperature settings ranging from 100 degrees Fahrenheit to 460 degrees Fahrenheit. What sets this model apart is the intuitive LCD touch sensor panel, which is much more responsive than traditional buttons. It features a built-in 10-hour timer, a fast boil button for when you're in a rush, and a keep warm function. Safety is a priority here, with a child safety lock and diagnostic error messaging. Its lightweight, compact design makes it perfect for dorms, studio apartments, or as an extra burner during the holidays. If you want a blend of durability and high-tech control, the 9600 LS is the reliable workhorse your kitchen needs. Product number 2. AMZCHEF Double Induction Cooktop. For those who need to multitask without sacrificing counter space, the AMZCHEF Double Induction Cooktop is a game-changer. This unit features 2 independent heating zones, allowing you to sauté veggies on one side while simmering soup on the other. Despite having 2 burners, it maintains an incredibly sleek, ultra-thin profile that looks premium in any modern kitchen. Each side has 9 power levels and a 99-minute timer. A standout feature is the power sharing technology. While both burners can work simultaneously, the unit intelligently manages the 1800-watt total to prevent circuit overloads. The polished crystal glass surface is not only scratch-resistant, but incredibly easy to wipe clean after a messy session. It's the perfect balance of aesthetic elegance and functional dual-zone cooking for busy households. Product number 3. Nuwave Gold Precision Double Cooktop. Nuwave has revolutionized precision cooking with the Gold Double Cooktop. This model is famous for its linear health technology, which ensures consistent heat without the cycling on and off found in cheaper models. It offers a massive temperature range from 100 degrees Fahrenheit to 575 degrees Fahrenheit in 10-degree increments, giving you professional-grade control. The cooktop features a shatterproof ceramic glass surface that's exceptionally durable. It also includes 50 pre-programmed recipes and the ability to save your own custom settings, making it a smart assistant in the kitchen. With its heavy-duty build and advanced functions like delay and sear, it's designed for the serious home chef who wants the power of a full-size range in a portable double-burner format. Product number 4. Duxtop 9620 LS. The Duxtop 9620 LS takes the excellence of their single burners and doubles it. This professional-grade countertop unit features 2 independent heating zones with a total of 1800 watts. The dual LCD displays make it incredibly easy to monitor both pots at once. Like its single-burner cousin, it offers 20 power and temperature settings per burner. A key advantage of the 9620 LS is the power mode for quick boiling and temperature mode for delicate tasks like frying or steaming. It's built to North American electrical standards with an ETL approval, ensuring top-tier safety. The touch control panel is seamless, and the lack of open flames means food won't burn onto the surface. It's an ideal solution for outdoor cooking or small kitchens that need full meal capability. Product number 5. AMZCHEF 2-in-1 Induction Cooktop. This is perhaps the most versatile entry on our list.
This AMZCHEF model isn't just a double induction burner. It comes with a custom-fitted, removable non-stick griddle pan. This transforms your cooktop into an indoor grill or a flat-top griddle for pancakes and steaks. The unit features a unique knob-plus-touch control system, giving you the tactile feel of a traditional stove with the precision of digital sensors. The 1800-watt total power is shared between the zones, and the removable griddle features heat-resistant rubber handles for safe maneuvering. Whether you're boiling pasta or grilling burgers, this 2-in-1 combo replaces multiple appliances, saving you money and storage space. It's the ultimate choice for those who love variety in their daily cooking.